Right, good morning. Here we have day 2 of our revision. Day 2, which is combinations. Okay, what we got? So first of all, Sadie's going to buy a new car. For the car, she can choose one body colour, one roof colour and one wheel type. She can choose from 19 different body types, 25 different wheel types. The total number of ways Sadie can choose the body colour and the roof colour and the wheel type is 3,325. Work out the number of different roof colours that Sadie can choose from. This is the product rule for counting, meaning that you multiply things together. So in this place, she's going to buy a new car, one body, so she's got body types of 19, roof colour she doesn't know, and she's got a wheel type of 25. So if we know that actually these two multiplied together times by the roof will equal 3,325. So what we've got is 19 times 25 is 475, times by the roof equals 3,325. So if I divide by 475, the roof equals 7. That's quite easy. Some of these are easy. You can't work out the whether it's such a high level. Right, in a restaurant there are 9 starter dishes, 15 main dishes, 8 dessert dishes. Janet's going to choose one of the following combinations for a meal: a starter dish and a main dish. That word "and" is a good one. And means times. You get that in probability as well. And then you see the word "or," which is plus. So what we've got here is starter dish and a main dish. So we're going to multiply two things together. Or main dish and dessert dish, multiply two things together and add them. Or another add, starter dish, main dish and dessert dish, 3 things multiplied together. So let's go through. So in a restaurant there are 9 starter dishes, 15 mains. So we've got starter dish, so 9 15s is 135. And then we've got main dish, which is 15, and dessert times by 8, which is 120. And then we've got a starter, 9 times main times dessert, 120 times 9, 1080. If I add those together, what I should have is 5, 13, 1, 3, yep, 1335, that's it, nice one. Next one, Jeff's choosing a shrub and a rose tree. There's that word "and" again for his garden. At the garden centre there are 17 different types of shrub and some rose trees. Jeff says there are 215 different ways to choose one shrub and one rose tree. Could Jeff be creative and show you get your answer? So what we're saying is shrub 17 times by rose has got to equal 215. So if I divide by 17, let's do that over here. 17 into 21 are 1, remainder 4. Does 17 go into 45? Well, no, it's 17, 34, 51. So Jeff could not be correct. As 17 is not a factor of 215, or you could put, 17 times rose doesn't equal 215, 17 times rose doesn't equal 215. Something like that. Here we go. Next question. There are 3 dials on a combination lock. Each dial can be set to one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 3-digit number 553 is one way the dials can be set as shown in the diagram. Work out the number of different 3-digit numbers can be set for the combination lock. Well, there are 5 numbers in the first position. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 numbers in the second division, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers in the third division, so position, whatever. So 5 in each. 5 times 5, 5 and 5. 125 different ways. Okay, and the nice thing with this is it gives you an example that 553 is one of them, so you don't get confused about, oh, can I have the ones with the same digits in? That's not a problem. Okay. I think this is the last question for today. There are 95 girls and 87 boys in year 11 at a school. One girl is going to be chosen for the role of head girl. A different girl is going to be chosen for the role of deputy head girl. One boy is going to be chosen for the role of head boy. A different boy is going to be chosen for the role of deputy head boy. How many different ways can this be done? So there are 95 girls, 87 boys in year 13 at a school. One girl's going to be chosen the role of head girl. So there are 95. So 95 to choose from. A different girl's going to be chosen for the role of deputy head girl. Well, that means the first one's already gone, so we've got 95 times 94. And then, so this is an and question. And really, one boy is going to be chosen for the role of head boy, so there's 87 head boys who could be it, and a different boy, that would be 86. How many different ways can that be done? Quite a big number. So what we got, AC, so I've got 95 times 94 times 87 times 86. That is 66,814,260. Yep, okay. 3 marks. That's it. Okay. That's day 2 done. See you tomorrow. Bye.